Alhamdulillah, thanks to past donations made by our beautiful community, Melbourne Muslims has been able to acquire our first rental property to be used as short-term emergency accommodation for vulnerable sisters and their children within our community. This accommodation has been a game changer, as in the past, many organisations have only been able to provide hotel stays for up to 1 week for a sister in a dire situation.
The Rebuilding Lives project allows stays up to 3 months with intensive case management provided to help source long-term accommodation while exploring many other avenues of aid that assist these women to start a new page in their lives. But we need your help to secure more of these houses. Unfortunately, we're still having to turn sisters away from accessing this service at an alarming rate. We are already at capacity with our first house.
To set up these houses, we need around $60,000 at a minimum. We want more success stories of sisters getting back on their feet. We want to help as many sisters as possible and not turn even one sister away. And with your help, we can achieve this. Help us continue to be the safe first step away from a desperate situation. Help us provide hope to sisters that have got nowhere to go.
You have all seen the work we've done in the community over the past 6 years. The Rebuilding Lives project has been by far the most needed, and inshallah will be the most rewarded as an ongoing sadaqah. In such a short space of time, we've already watched every single sister who we are case managing completely start fresh by securing jobs, education, and most importantly, long-term accommodation. It was reported in Tirmidhi that the Prophet ﷺ said, "There is no right that the son of Adam is more entitled to other than these: a home to live in, a garment to cover his nakedness, a piece of bread and water."
The Rebuilding Lives project ensures all of these needs are met upon a sister moving into our accommodation, with additional items of food and clothing being allocated to those that left their homes with nothing at all.